This is an example of how you might analyze a video with Logger Pro to extract motion data. So what I've got is a video that I took of my dog chasing my chickens. Here it is.
Get the chickens, Bella. Where are they? Get the chickens. Get the chickens, Bella.
I think it'd be interesting to know how fast a chicken can run. So I'm looking for a place in the video where I've got that data. That chicken right there. That's what I'm interested in.
Get the chickens, Bella.
So I'm going to start the video over, and I'm going to find where the motion actually exists. Well, that's pretty fast too. All right. Here's this flock of chickens. They're walking. And then if we go forward a few frames, you see they walk, and then this chicken comes from the left and flies over real fast. Yep, there she is. Now, I'm going to track the middle of this chicken as it runs over to the raspberries. Now, if I'm going to analyze that video, I need to do some things. The first thing I need to do is set an origin. Well, I don't have to do that, but I'm gonna. So I'm going to say that the origin, or the place where 0, 0 is right here. I can set the direction of X by dragging this ball. Straight over is fine with me. It's very touchy. The next thing I have to do is I have to turn pixels into inches or meters or centimeters or miles or whatever. So a chicken is about 8 inches if you measure from their back, which is their vent, to their front, which is their crop. So I think this is about 8 inches. And I apologize for using American units. It's just what I know. So now I'm going to track the motion of the chicken by clicking this little crosshairs and clicking in the middle of the chicken. And when I do that, the frame advances as soon as I click. Now, one of the downsides to this technique is if you're just holding a cell phone in your hand, if the cell phone changes, that's an additional velocity that pops up. And so you want to hold your camera as smooth as you can, or use a tripod. Do they make tripods for cell phone cameras? Maybe they do. That would be great. All right. Notice the other problem in this is that the chicken isn't just running left to right. It's also running away from me. There's not a good way of capturing that part of the motion in a low quality video like this. If I had a really high quality video, I could actually measure the height of the chicken because it gets shorter as it runs away. But I'm not going to worry about that calibration. That's pretty far into the weeds. So there, that's the motion I wanted to analyze. That chicken was really moving. And so now if I make the video smaller, what you see in the background is 2 motions. Up, down is blue, so Y if you like, and left, right is X. Now I don't know in this motion if the chicken was actually slowing down or if it was running away from me. So I'm just going to analyze the first part of this data. And so when you analyze, when you fit a model in Logger Pro, you just highlight the data you like, and then you click this button right here, R equals. It looks a little bit different on a Mac. And I want to fit a straight line, a straight line math model, to the X data. And it does it. Shazam. So it looks like 91 inches a second is how fast that chicken was running. I don't think the slope means anything. The intercept means anything. And the correlation, the better the line fits the data, the closer this is to 1. So I could turn that into a real math model if I wanted to, because it's pretty close right now. That's it.